Digital skills are no longer optional, they are opportunities. The internet has created a global marketplace, so your skill can earn you a lot of money and even beyond this country. Good day, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Saturday Business Series. In the coming weeks, we'll be breaking down profitable business skills one at a time in a clear, practical, and actionable way. This is not just motivation, this is direction. For each business, we will carefully examine what the business is all about, why the business is profitable, the required skills and tools needed, startup capital estimate, market demand, feasibility considerations, incubation period, how long before returns begin, then the financial structure and break-even analysis. Then we're also going to look at the common mistakes and how to scale and succeed in the business. So our goal is simple: help you move from interest to income. So today, we'll be starting trade areas with website design services. Website design involves, creating and managing websites for businesses, organizations, public figures, schools, and startups. So in today's digital economy, every serious brand needs an online presence. So why it is profitable? Website design business is profitable. Businesses are moving online daily. From small shops to large corporations, everyone needs a website for credibility, visibility, marketing, and sales. So one project can generate significant revenue, and ongoing maintenance for clients can create recurring income. Now, let's look at the skills and tools required. Basic coding experience, like understanding the use of HTML, CSS, knowing how to use CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and other tools like Elementor, Webflow, and Figma will really help you. And also domain and hosting experience. For startup capital estimate for website design services is actually from low to moderate, like having a laptop, internet, software tools, and possibly hosting resellers plan. So roughly speaking, you can have an amount between 150,000 to 350,000 to embark on this journey. So let's look at the market demand. The market demand is very high, especially among SMEs, companies, NGOs, schools, consultants, and personal brands. They actually need websites. So the incubation period is between 1 to 3 months of learning and portfolio building before consistently, making some income. Now, there are common mistakes people make. So in order for you to avoid such mistakes, you need to take note of the following. Underpricing services. Yes, charging too low, charging too little reduces perceived value and limits sustainable income. Also, poor communication. Yes, poor client communication is a factor. Failing to clarify expectation of your client can lead to misunderstanding and dissatisfaction of the services you've actually provided for them. Then number 3, ignoring maintenance and support structure. Neglecting ongoing updates and support may result in client churn and reputational damage. And they wouldn't be happy about you giving them, you are not taking care of their site, looking at their site, maintaining their site, or even giving them some updates. So now let's look at scaling up opportunities. Move from freelancer to agency model. If you are into this, if you want to embark on this journey, or have developing a website company or building up a website company, you need to move from freelancer to agency model. This means evolving from working alone on individual projects to building a structured business with a team where multiple clients and projects can be handled simultaneously. Offer hosting, maintenance, retainers, and like search engine optimization for clients. Digital marketing services can actually help you. Finally, digital skills are no longer optional, they are opportunities. The internet has created a global marketplace, so your skill can earn you a lot of money and even beyond this country. You can still make profits from this business. In the coming weeks, we will continue breaking down more business opportunities in practical terms. We are going to look at agri, we are going to look at consultancy, we are going to look at fashion design, we are going to look at training services, and other scalable ventures. If you are serious about building wealth in this digital age, start with a skill, master it, monetize it, scale it. Thank you for joining today's episode. Join me next week for another strategic breakdown in the Saturday Business Series. Thank you.